Hi guys, Jonathan here, and very soon the ENV2 blogging platform will be launched, and this is one of the times in the history that we really gotta pay attention to, because the ENV2 is a blogging platform that has never been seen before in the whole industry. Okay, it's a blogging platform. First of all, it's a mobile blogging platform, a mobile app where you can blog from your phone. You know, it's just a whole new level. People say they make money from the computer. Now it's going to be making money from their phone. Okay, and the last thing is a sales engine conversion. That means if you're promoting the Empower Network and you have the ENV2, you can put something out there, like a blog, a private blog, and for example set it so that only the inner circle who have this and that product can see the blog post. So people below that will notice, or will actually see, that when somebody is posting a private blog post that they don't have access to, they will see that, and they will see something like upgrade to see premium content, which will improve conversions like madness. I'm telling you, this is so thought out, not only on the outside but on the inside. All right, so the best thing you can do is just prepare to blow it up. Talk about this has never been done in the industry. This will surpass WordPress, the number one blogging platform. Well, in just a little while, ENV2 will be the number one blogging platform. Everybody who needs a blog will be having the ENV2. I promise you. Business owners, non-business owners, bloggers, whatever it is, that will get that. It's for sure. I tell you, if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link below where you can see how it looks actually. But just get in, it's time. It's just like when Facebook just launched. If Facebook just launched today and you know it would have such success, wouldn't you put in some shares in that to get your piece of the cake? That's exactly how this is. So if you're ready to take this seriously and actually transform something, it's your decision. It's up to you. All you gotta do is get in. It's only $25, and again there will be a link below to check it out further. But it's only $25, and you can create buzz about this. People will join this site, empowernetwork.com, will be in the top 100 sites in the world, and eventually in the top 10. That surpassed WordPress, surpassed Twitter. There's also some social aspects in ENV2 which you can see down at the link below. So this is your time. Don't just sit around and watch on the sidelines. This is serious. This is history. Okay, this can change your history. This can change your future. So get in while it's hot, and I'll see you on the inside.